question involves a customer who had their pier built and wants to rewire it, running a switch leg from inside the house to the pier to feed 2 fish lights, 1 security light, and a receptacle. The concern is whether this is too much load for a 20 amp switch. Yes, there is a valid concern about the load in the 20 amp switch. Let's examine the electrical load calculation. Consider 2 fish lights, each consuming 500 watts, giving a total load of 1000 watts. Add a security light consuming 200 watts. Account for the receptacle, assuming it can handle a maximum load of 1800 watts for appliances or tools. The total load is 1000 watts plus 200 watts plus 1800 watts, which equals 3000 watts. A 20 amp switch has a maximum capacity of 2400 volt amps, calculated as 20 amps times 120 volts. The switch leg also needs to account for voltage drop, which can reduce the available voltage at the pier. To calculate voltage drop, we need some additional information. Assume the distance to the pier is 50 feet. Assume the wire size is number 12 American wire gauge THHN copper wire. The total current is calculated as 3000 watts divided by 120 volts, which equals 25 amps. The voltage drop can be calculated using the formula voltage drop equals 2 times the distance times the current times the resistance, all divided by the voltage. Using metric equivalence, voltage drop equals 2 times 15 meters times 25 amps times 0.14 ohms per meter, all divided by 120 volts. This yields a voltage drop of 0.42 volts. The voltage drop is negligible and will not significantly reduce the available voltage at the pier. While the load on the 20 amp switch exceeds its capacity, the voltage drop is within acceptable limits. However, the switch should still be upgraded to a higher amperage rating, such as 30 amps or 40 amps, to provide a margin of safety and ensure reliable operation.